Are you curious as to how I did this? This effect was accomplished using keyframes. Let me show you how.
I love Mike's videos. Please subscribe to his channel for more tips, tricks, and tutorials.
Keyframes are defined as the start and end points of any smooth transition. I'm going to use a still photo for this tutorial, but you can use video clips. The process will be the same. I'll add my footage to the timeline. And then I'll stretch it out so that I have enough time to work with. Next, I'll double tap the clip to open the clip editor and adjust the size and position so that the entire photo is visible. Once I have the size and position where I want it, I'll add the first keyframe by tapping on the plus sign underneath the start time. Then I'll play the clip through to the end and change the size and position so that I zoom in on the question and center it on the screen. Notice that as you change the size and position, LumaFusion automatically creates a second keyframe at the location of the playhead. Once you're happy with the size and position, tap on the left-hand facing arrow to move back to the beginning of this clip. Notice that the entire photo is in view because I'm at the location of the first keyframe, represented by the blue dot on the timeline. I'll hit the play icon to begin playing the clip. The clip will move forward at normal speed until it reaches the second keyframe. As it does, notice that there is a smooth zoom-in effect. The question should be fully centered and zoomed in. Let's take a look at it in the preview window. I'll scrub back to the beginning of the clip where you'll notice the photo will be in full view. I'll hit the play icon, and as the clip plays, it will zoom in and center the viewer question on the screen. That looks great. To see the entire video where I actually use this clip, check out the video in the cards right now. The last step is to save the video clip. Tap on the export icon in the bottom right hand corner, tap on movie, and then choose where you want to save it. I'll save it in my Photos app so that I can use it in another video project. LumaFusion will begin writing the movie. The saved video is in my Photos app, or wherever you saved yours. While recording this video, I just noticed I reached 900 subscribers today, so I want to say a big thank you to all the people that have subscribed to me in the past. Keep on watching, thanks so much, and I'll definitely see you in the next video.